Hey, welcome back. It's time to feather the nest. My name's Laura and I'm really glad to have you back. I love to sew, I love to get creative with projects, and I love to share that with other people. So today I have an IndieStitch and it's a double unboxing. Plus, I'll let you know my plans and what's on my cutting table. All right, so I just received an IndieStitch, but I did get two of them. So, because, let me explain. So when I first began IndieStitch, it was because I wanted to do a bomber jacket, and I Googled some stuff and I found where they had a bomber jacket box that they did. And at that point, that was kind of foreign to me. I was like, what do you mean? What are you doing? So I ordered it, did it, enjoyed it, went ahead and subscribed. So about 4 months now, I've been getting their subscription boxes. But they will sell their old ones too. And they had one that they put on special for $60, which when you start figuring out fabric and notions and a pattern and all those things, you can add up to 60 pretty easy. It was one that I wasn't sure about. I felt like the picture on the front is not the most flattering for it. But then I saw someone make it. I think it was on the IndieStitch Facebook sew-along group. And I was like, that's super cute. So I thought, I'll order it. Why not? And then I also ordered a couple of other things that some fabric they were selling that I have plans for. So, so this is actually the extra one that I ordered. And this is this month's. So we're gonna see what's in both boxes. And then I'm gonna talk about my plans for some other things as well. So let's start with the extra one, shall we? Right. Let's see, friends. Oh, this one doesn't even have the tape thing. Okay. This is my extra one. Okay. This is cool. It's the Barbara dress. Okay. See, I just don't think that's the most flattering picture, but you know, it is what it is. But it is the Barbara dress. It is from Annie at Sekoto. And if you've never done an IndieStitch before, you order this, they give you a code, which I'm covering there, that'll give you, be able to get your pattern for free, like it's all part of it. And then there's a video tutorial, which is what I was really attracted to at first, because I was learning a lot, and I've learned something new every time I've done one of these projects. So that's pretty exciting. Okay, let's see what I have here. Ooh, I have fabric. It's a brushed DTY, 96% polyester, 4% spandex. See what it feels like. Knit. Well, it feels really nice, actually. Okay. You know, I love a pattern. And this was a really interesting pattern, I thought. And then they have a black to contrast it. It really feels nice. It really, really does. Cool. All right, let me see what else is in here for this one. We've got some thread and needles, as always. This one has Coats and Clark in it, which secret I kind of prefer usually. Airheads. I don't know. I'll give it to my daughter. Some cute stickers, decals. They're very thick. Oh, this cute pencil bag. Look how cute this is. You can put all your stuff in it. And you know, this is very handy because I travel back and forth with a bunch of my stuff all the time, and do stuff at school and elsewhere, so this will be very handy. I'm gonna stand up. And then you also get a printed pattern, if you've never seen these before. And they're usually in color, which is kind of nice. So, yeah. So that is the rest stuff that I bought. And again, that one was on clearance for $60. We're gonna see how that turns out. I'm excited about it. Very cool. Some cool fun things in there. Let's go into number 2. I'll go ahead and put this up here on my board. I've been trying to get my board more organized lately. It's looking cute. All right, this is this month's. So this is March. It's a dress, I believe. The dress pattern. Next one is pants. I'm excited about the pants. Let's see what I got. Oh yeah, I did get the first choice that I asked for. So it's a Joni dress from Pattern Scout right here. Very cool. Okay. I had asked for this navy. Oh, but I also, okay, I know. I had also asked, I paid $20 to get another fabric. So I got both of the fabrics I asked for. That's kind of cool. This is a gauze print. I love gauze. Okay. And let's get it out. Oh, is this gonna be wet? This will be the perfect dress for spring and summer. Oh, I like it. Oh, it's very flowy and I love flowers. Oh, that's gonna be so cute. I'm so excited. Look at that. Okay, and then I got the second fabric that I had asked for as well because I paid that extra. This is so nice. This feels like a linen. I'm not sure if this one did not come with a tag. So I'll look it up and see for sure. But I've got this lovely piece too. Oh my gosh, I'm sure there's variations on the pattern. So maybe I'll make one with one variation and one with the other. Wow, these are so cute, these fabrics. They feel so nice, okay? I got, let's see. I got some more thread. I got the Gooderman with some needles. You always get 2 needles. They're universal. This is the big thing of thread too. Lately they've been sending the smaller one and sometimes I run out. Just because like last month luckily I had some in that same color. Let's see the other goodies that are in here. Because they do send you goodies. Ooh, erasable pens. I love using these, okay? I love them. If you haven't tried them before, they're super helpful and it comes right off. Super easy with ink. What else? Is this elastic? I don't know if this is part of it. Let me look at the card really quick and see. Nope, wrong card. Where is my card? I think I've covered it up. There you are, friend. This is elastic thread. So I'm assuming, because it has a smock, that's what I'm going to be using. So I have 3 spools of this elastic thread, which is great. I actually just ordered some of this in another color to make a different shirt. So I'm loving that I'm going to get to learn how to use this. So this has all kinds of goodies in it this month. There's also, what is this called? Some kind of a sticky tape kind of thing. Like, it's like little tapes that are fun. I'm sure I can find uses for these. They're really cute. Ooh, I don't have one this size. I have a ruler that's in a square here. I love it. It's really great. I have a lot of other rulers, but I don't have one like this. So it's very handy. And of course the pattern, I'll print it out for us. Yeah, it looks like they have an option for a cap sleeve and a short sleeve and so many other things. So I'm gonna definitely look at the options and see what I want to, oh, here it is. Look at this. Ooh, there's even a blouse on here. Nice. I'm gonna lie, maybe I'll make a blouse out of one of them. Let me see if I can get this to open up right. You can see a couple of the options here. Yeah. And then there's one that's kind of folded in there. But we have a lot of options on this. Maybe a blouse would be nice. Maybe I'll make a blouse out of one and a dress out of the other. I don't know. Or both, we'll see. That's exciting. Okay, cool, cool. This already looks a little more organized than the last pattern. I think on the last pattern they were trying to be easier to understand, but it just didn't really work out for them, honestly. I don't know. All right, let's put you up here as well. I'm probably gonna try to knock both of these out of this week. These fabrics are fantastic. I'm really excited about them. So the other things that I ordered that they were clearancing out, this chambray, and it's really nice. It's a very good chambray. They were selling it for $21 for 3 yards, so I got 2 cuts of it. It's a very nice weight. It's very light, but like heavy enough. So I got 6 yards. I'm very happy with that. Where is my pattern? I thought I had it laid out here, but I don't, of course. Here it is. I'm gonna use it to make this McCall's pattern. It's a new one. It's 85.53. And I am gonna do the short sleeves, but I'm gonna keep it long. I think it's gonna be really cute. I used to wear a lot more dresses. I did. And then I put on a little weight and I just didn't feel confident enough anymore. But I think I'm trying to get more comfortable with my body. I know I'm losing weight, but I'm also trying to just get comfortable with my body and with how I dress myself. And I wanna wear what I wanna wear. So I think some of these nice, cool dresses will be great in this Texas heat. I'm very excited about that fabric. And I did order some of this to make collars and things for jackets. When I ordered the jacket IndieStitch box, I thought this was really good quality. So when they were selling some of it, I don't remember how much it was now. It wasn't expensive. Then I got a good cut of that as well. So those were kind of all the extras and all the fun things. The other things I'm working on right now, I was going to tell you what's on my cutting table. Last night I cut out McCall's 85.57. And I've talked about it before. It's in this lovely yellow fabric, this cotton poplin. And it's right over there on my ironing board right now. And my last video, I wasn't sure what to do with some Leon Batiste I had bought at Mood. It's a really pretty color, but I should know what to do with it. And then I looked at Seymour. You know, at the beginning of the month, they always put out a couple of new patterns. And I love Seymour's patterns. I feel like I can really make them fit me well. They had this, it's like a shirt dress called Hill. I usually run them off in color, but not this one. Hill, and I've got the pattern all cut out. And then I'm going to go ahead and get that fabric cut out tonight. I really like to, I guess they call it batch cutting. But when I watch things, they usually call it that. But I like to cut out like several patterns at once and then just start sewing. So I'm probably gonna try to cut out Hill tonight. And I may start cutting out the Joni dress and the Barbara dress as well. So I'll have a lot of cute dresses here very soon to wear. But I'll try to give you guys some updates as I go. Let me know your thoughts on these. And happy sewing. Have a great day.